Hello, campers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to set up your tent like a pro, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable camping experience. Let's get started. First things first, always read the instructions. Each tent has its specifics, and familiarizing yourself with them can save you time and frustration. Some tents require the inner first, others the outer first. Keep these instructions handy for future reference. Selecting the right spot is crucial. Look for a flat area, free from stones, tree roots, and avoid slopes or dips. If it rains, you don't want to be in a puddle. Using a footprint, if available, can protect your tent and help position it. Now, let's talk about some general setup tips. Sort out your tent poles, especially if they're color-coded. Take your time to peg the tent out properly. The fabric should be taut but not strained. Zip up the doors before starting. Push, don't pull, poles through sleeves to avoid damage. If you have an inflatable tent, be careful not to overinflate the tubes to prevent damage. Consider glow-in-the-dark guide ropes for night visibility. Also consider pegs, which contains LED lights. They're a simple upgrade that can prevent trips and falls around your tent. When it's time to pack up, reverse the setup process. Be gentle with pegs and poles. Pro tip: if your tent is outer first and gets packed away in one bag, consider if you keep the bedroom set up inside the tent, making it quicker to put the tent the next time you use it. This approach can significantly speed up the setup process the next time you use your tent, making your camping experience more efficient and enjoyable. If you pack up in wet conditions, make sure to dry out your tent at home to prevent mold. Regularly check and clean your pegs and consider re-waterproofing your tent periodically. Re-waterproofing your tent is a straightforward task that can be easily carried out in your back garden. This maintenance step not only extends the lifespan of your tent, but also ensures you stay dry and comfortable during wet weather conditions. Remember, taking the time to set up and pack down your tent correctly will extend its life and make your camping trips more enjoyable. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a tent setup pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more camping tips. Happy camping, and see you next time.